If you are a buyer facing delays in getting possession of your property, don't worry, you have legal options to address the issue. Here are some of the steps you can take. File a complaint in consumer court. You can go to consumer court if the delay counts as poor service by the developer. You can ask for a refund of your money, along with interest, or even compensation for the trouble caused. They might also order the developer to hand over possession within a specific time frame. It's usually a straightforward process and doesn't require hiring a lawyer. Approach the Real Estate Regulatory Authority, RERA. If your property is in India, RERA is a great option. It's designed to protect buyers in cases like this. You can either ask for a refund with interest, push the developer to hand over the property and compensate you for the delay. RERA also works faster than regular courts, so you'll likely get a resolution sooner. File a civil suit. If you want, you can take it to civil court. Here, you can demand that the developer fulfill their promise and hand over the property. Claim damages for the financial or emotional loss caused by the delay. It's a bit more formal and time-consuming, but it's an option if other routes don't work. Report unfair practices. If the delay happened because the developer made false promises or misled you, you can file a complaint about unfair trade practices. This usually falls under consumer protection laws and can lead to penalties for the developer. Use arbitration. Check your agreement with the developer. It might include an arbitration clause. If so, you can resolve the dispute through arbitration instead of going to court. It's often quicker but depends on the specifics of the clause. File for insolvency proceedings. If the developer is going bankrupt and that's why the project is delayed, you can file a claim under insolvency laws. You'd register as a financial creditor to get your money back, at least part of it. Seek compensation. Delays can cause real financial strain. You might be able to claim interest. Developers are often required to pay interest for the delay. Rent. If you've had to rent another place because of the delay, you can ask for that cost to be reimbursed. Other costs, legal fees or any extra expenses you've had because of the delay. Some things to keep in mind. Check your agreement. Look at the sale agreement carefully. It often includes timelines and penalties for delays. Force majeure. Developers sometimes use force majeure as an excuse for delays, like natural disasters or pandemics. Make sure they're not overusing it. Act quickly. Don't wait too long to take action. Most legal claims need to be filed within 2-3 years from when the delay started. The best thing you can do is consult a lawyer who specializes in real estate or consumer rights. They'll guide you through the process and help you decide the best course of action for your specific case. If you are facing any kind of property dispute, you can contact our expert team and book a free consultation with our legal consultant.